Yogazeit is a health promotion charity bringing evidence-based, trauma-informed mindful movement practices to remote Indigenous communities.
Mindful Hearts is a culturally relevant health and well-being program for Indigenous youth in the Kimberley. It is built upon the foundations of mindfulness that communities already practice. We'll take the time to really listen to communities and build up on those foundations and develop breathing exercises, movement to support the physical exercise for kids in the communities, as well as relaxation techniques.
Mindful Hearts is really pali bangun ulbunga ganin kargenwandi our bodies.
I think it's a very important program that helps Aboriginal children to have those tools needed to be ready for school. School's supposed to be a safe place, so I think implementing yoga, all those breathing techniques, it allows a calmer space. It allows them to be calm and school ready, and it's just a program that not only is effective for the children, it's effective for the teachers as well.
The ability to self-regulate, be mindful in the moment, and have those little brain breaks that really allow our students to refocus and re-energise on the task at hand.
I think that Mindful Hearts can really be specific and targeted to each individual student and then the community as a whole. So I think that what it can help is by helping the students and the community recognise, again, what's going on for them, but also teach them tools to help with what's going on for them. So, you know, say they're having a not so good day, it can teach them strategies to learn and recognise and acknowledge that, and that's okay to be feeling that way. But what are things that we can do to help us get through the day as easily and as best as we can?
The Mindful Arts Project is a wonderful project that at its core is a health and well-being initiative, but one that's deeply connected to country and to community, and is really trying to support those folks out in our regions and remote areas. Well, we know here in Western Australia and across the country, that's one of the issues that we really need to focus on, is improving our connection to and support for Aboriginal and Indigenous health. And Yogazeit and the Mindful Hearts Project has done a wonderful job of that by really placing what the community needs at the centre of what they're trying to do.
It all comes down to the consultation process. We went in knowing that we had to tread very softly, that we had to listen to the community, that the community essentially developed the program, but more so than we ever expected or realised. And for that, we're just so grateful that the communities gave us their feedback and we were able to custom fit programs so that they can maximise their chances of increasing their social and emotional wellbeing.
I believe the capacity building approach, the train the trainer model, Yogazeit going in and training the teachers then delivering that content to the school students, and then the students then taking that information home and sharing it with their families and communities, means that the outcomes from this project should be able to be sustained well beyond the funding period.
It makes me feel proud, and I'm feeling really grateful and happy because I can see my language is written there.
I love seeing the kids so engaged and really having a go with all the shapes and the breathing techniques.
The kids really loved it and they're enjoying it.
It would be wonderful to see the approach that was taken adopted more widely, and the techniques and skills that were transferred as part of the program to continue in the communities that have been touched, and for those communities that have yet to be engaged with Yogazeit to have an opportunity to be part of the program.
Wangi jadi pada pere anak ulu balu, kalau nyanang jabau ngana kiri madalai, jawai.